Somewhere in a lab right now, an object is moving, and it has been moving without stopping, without any energy going in. Since the moment it was created, that shouldn't be possible. Every object that moves eventually runs out of energy and stops. That's not a suggestion. That's one of the most basic laws of physics there is. But physicists have now built something that breaks that rule. They call it a time crystal. A normal crystal, like a diamond or a snowflake, repeats its pattern in space, the same structure over and over as you move across it. A time crystal does the same thing, except the pattern repeats in time, not space. It's already sitting in its lowest possible energy state, and it still keeps moving, forever. In February of this year, researchers built a version of this using tiny beads, floating and interacting through sound waves. And it did something even stranger. It broke Newton's third law, the one that says every action has an equal and opposite reaction. In this system, that balance doesn't hold. The particles push each other in ways that never cancel out, which is part of why the motion never settles down. A few months later, a separate team went even further. They connected a time crystal to an external device for the first time and found they could actually control its rhythm. That detail matters more than it sounds, because a system that oscillates forever and can be controlled is exactly what you need for things like ultra-precise sensors or memory systems inside a quantum computer. So why doesn't this break the laws of physics after all? Because a time crystal isn't adding energy to keep moving. It's already at rest in the deepest sense physics allows. It just turns out at rest doesn't have to mean still. Physicists only confirmed these systems exist about a decade ago. Since then, new versions keep showing up in liquid crystals, in laser-trapped atoms, even at room temperature, which raises a strange question. If motion without energy input can exist inside a lab, quietly obeying rules nobody expected, what else is out there, already happening around us, that we simply haven't built the right experiment to see yet? This isn't science fiction. It's happening in real labs, right now, and it might quietly end up inside the quantum computers built over the next decade. If motion that never stops sounds impossible to you, subscribe, because next time, we're going back to the mirror in your window and the observer effect that connects all of this together.